skinny he is.
Felt a lot bigger than that.
Yeah.
Good job. My lipper. I got a crappy lipper here.
That'll work.
Wait, let's go on. Nice fish.
Oh, we're lucky he came out of those trees.
Yeah, there's trees down there.
Yeah.
Pliers sandies over here.
I think mine are.
Oh, Dad, get your hands away.
Hold on. You didn't show me pictures, obviously.
Are you kidding me?
Wow. Let's get some real pliers in here.
Are you kidding me?
Wow. Let's get some real pliers in here.
Give me some
Holy
pliers.
smokes.
What are those?
Toys R Us doesn't have those in stock
Are those
anymore.
floating pliers?
It's alright, eh? First pass.
How skinny that thing is.